Adams.
Hi, Big Bird. What you doing?
Adams Bertrand. Oh, hi, Bob. I'm just looking at the names in this new phone book I got that came with my new telephone, see?
Oh,
It's a phone book, and is it thrilling?
Thrilling? The
Sure.
phone book, Big Bird?
Why, sure, Bob. Why, it's just full of names. It's got thousands and thousands of names in there. And I found something very interesting about it, too.
Really? What's that? Big
Well,
Bird?
if you open up the book at the beginning, you'll notice all the names start with the letter A.
That's right.
Then you go a little further, and then you'll see all the names are beginning with B, see?
Right.
And then finally C's,
Yep.
and so on. So, do you know what they use to help list the names in the phone book, Bob?
The alphabet, Big Bird.
How'd you know that?
Little birdie told me.
Well, anyway, you see, I bet you don't know the last name that's in that book.
No, I don't, but I'll look it up
You don't
for
have to look it up, Bob. I already did. Begins with a Z, and it's Zazinski.
Zazinski?
Yeah.
Ah,
Yep, so there's a lot of names in there, Bob.
there are. You want to look at some of them, Big Bird?
Sure.
Well, there's A. Adams,
B. Baker,
C. Connolly,
D. Donovan,
E. Epstein.
F. Figueroa.
That's the phone book alphabet. G. Garrison,
H. Harrington,
I. Iannucci,
J. Jaranopoulos,
K. Katagiri.
L. Locke.
That's the phone book alphabet. You won't find any pictures or stories in this book.
But if it's names you're after, then here's the place to look.
And you'll find M. Myram,
N. Napoli,
O. Obradovich,
P. Papadopoulos,
Q. Quentin.
R. Rickenbacker. That's the phone book alphabet.
S is singer Simon Stewart, Stone, and Simonovsky.
T is Taylor, Thomas, Turner, Tucker, and Tchaikovsky.
Tchaikovsky?
Well, it starts with a T.
U. Unger,
B. Vickers,
W. Wong,
X. Xinides,
Y. Youngman.
and finally Z. Zazinski.
If you have a last name, look
You may find it in this book
as you learn the phone book alphabet with me. Hey, that's terrific, Big Bird.
Yeah, Bob, and I think the first person I'm going to call right now is going to be my old pal, Mr. Snuffleupagus.
Oh, your imaginary friend, right, Big Bird?
Bob, he's not imaginary.
Well, let me ask you something, Big Bird. He has a telephone, right?
Sure.
His name starts with S.
Right.
For Snuffleupagus.
Yes, but don't try
Then
to...
I am going to look him up right here once and for all, and I'm going to determine
No,
if there is
Bob.
in fact
Bob.
a Snuffleupagus.
Bob, he's not in that book.
Why not?
You won't find him in this book, Bob. This is a people phone book. He's in the Snuffleupagus phone book.